are you worried? Because of that, what did daddy do? Sorry, daddy asked. I hope it's okay. It's okay. Our president said people should stop using old money and they should be using new money. That is why daddy packed all his money to the bank. And later, he went to the same bank and he asked for new money. They said no new money. Daddy don't have money. He don't even have money to buy fuel for his car to go out or to go to cultural center to meet his friends. That is why daddy is behaving like somebody that is sick.
Haven't I warned that I don't want to hear that name in this house again? What's that? Haven't I warned you guys? What is the meaning of this? Did you want to give me BP? I've said it. That man has caused me pain. Pain in this house. For the past 4 days, I've not stepped my feet outside this compound. Do you think I'm enjoying it?
Oh my God.
No naira to use. No fuel. I'm not enjoying it. I don't want to hear that name in this house again. Please.
But daddy, you voted for the man last 4 years.
Hey! If I vote for the man last 4 years, if the man is doing wrong implementation of laws, I don't have the guts to vote it out. Because soon I'll begin to treat you like an adult.
Oh my God.
Like you are knowing more than yourself. And I'll begin to see that your mom is teaching you more than your brain can carry. Next time you ask me such question, I'm going to beat the hell out of you and that of your mom. I want to be left alone, please. Anything that concerns that man and his political party, please, I don't want to hear it. I'm fully obedient. You can go. I want to be left alone.
Say